Awesome to hear, and I'm glad I called the right number because, ma'am, you are the winner of a brand new 2023 Jeep Wrangler from PayneAutoGroup.com.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. This is not a joke.
You want a Jeep? Yes.
That's right.
Sorry,
No, you go ahead. Put it on speakerphone. We can tell the whole world.
It doesn't even make the worker. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Okay.
What a way to kick off the summer, huh?
No kidding.
Where did you sign up? Which dealership did you sign up at, ma'am?
The one on McColl.
Ms. Ortiz, congratulations once again, and thank you very much for not only being a Payne Auto Group customer, but being the winner of our 2023 Memorial Day Celebration Sales Event.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be in contact with you real soon to make arrangements, okay?